Hi everyone, today I'm back to City Flowers in Bucharest to see some of their amazing articles they just took for Valentine's. We are close to Valentine's. I'll open with you some boxes to see some nice articles, of course what looks very interesting for me. Some nice dark purple anemones. Here I have another box where I saw on the label some interesting articles. Let's see in reality. Yeah, okay. Here so, first one. Some ranunculus clun, some white freesia. Even this is simple flower, look how big is this bunch. Okay, they are also a bit longer, they are 16. Some iris, you'll see the color 3 days, probably. This nice double purple tulips. To be all the spring together, some nice hyacinths. Of course, you don't see the colors, they are very fresh, probably 2 days after staying water they will start over. From the same grower, fresh, I mean the color, but of course the tulips are also fresh. Voila! Nice spray roses Aurora, some hidden green belt, or you know the other name, I don't know it. So, just a small teasing of some spring articles which you can find, of course, in our webshop. Come and check out.